Sensitive teeth. When the teeth come into contact with hot or cold temperatures from the air, food or beverages, it causes sensitivity in the tooth. Your teeth have a protective covering, enamel, that covers the crown. Cavities, cracked teeth, eroded teeth, and gum disease are frequent causes of sensitive teeth. Cavities or tooth decay erodes the enamel, and this causes sensitivity of teeth. Sensitive teeth cause brief pain or discomfort. Other reasons for sensitive tooth. Overbrushing teeth may also expose dentin. Gum disease causes your gums to move away from your teeth. Cavity-causing plaque easily fills the space and can harm the enamel. Sensitive teeth can result from several other causes. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, which is GERD, causes stomach acids to back up into the mouth and erode the teeth. Teeth grinding is a leading cause of teeth fractures that can lead to decay further to sensitivity. Treatment. Sensitive teeth are treated with special toothpaste, fluoride treatments, professional dental sealants, crowns, or fillings. Your dentist may recommend desensitizing toothpaste for sensitive teeth, which has fluoride and is low in abrasion. You can reduce your risk of sensitive teeth with good oral hygiene. Brush and floss your teeth as per your dentist's instruction.
How to fix rotting teeth. Rotting teeth can impact your appearance and harm your overall health. However, by working with your dentist, you can safely fix your teeth. After your dentist has evaluated you, they may suggest fillings, caps, or even root canals. Once you've fixed the damaged teeth, then focus your attention on keeping the rest of your mouth healthy. Brushing and flossing regularly can go a long way towards good dental hygiene. Treating rotten teeth. Recognize the symptoms of tooth decay. Make sure to keep an eye on your teeth in between dental visits. Watch for a discolored spot on the surface of the tooth. It could be close to black, brown, or even off-white. If the tooth is painful, that is another sign. The pain from a rotting tooth may be severe and ongoing or only triggered by hot or cold temperatures. Continual bad breath is another sign of tooth damage. The pain from a rotting tooth may be severe and ongoing or only triggered by hot or cold temperatures. Continual bad breath is another sign of tooth damage. Treat cavities as soon as you notice them. A cavity is a hole in your tooth. These gaps make it possible for damaging bacteria to get inside your tooth. If a cavity remains untreated, the tooth will only get worse. It can even lead to another cavity in the same tooth. Consent to a filling for partly rotten teeth. If only part of a tooth is rotten, it may be possible to fill a cavity hole. Talk with your dentist about the types of fillings that are available, including silver, composite resin, or copper. The filling process is done in office and usually only requires local anesthesia. However, it's possible that your dentist will suggest a crown or another procedure after working to prepare a tooth for a filling. However, it's possible that your dentist will suggest a crown or another procedure after working to prepare a tooth for a filling. Get a crown if the tooth is not salvageable. If the tooth is beyond repair or compromised by multiple fillings, you may need to get it crowned. This is where your dentist will place a cap or molded covering over the entire tooth. The tooth itself will be filed away to remove any rotten portions. This procedure usually takes a few hours and requires a local anesthetic. You may also need to get a root canal before a crown if the dentist believes the roots of the tooth are dead as well. You may also need to get a root canal before a crown if the dentist believes the roots of the tooth are dead as well. Agree to surgery for periodontitis. If you have severe bone loss due to rotting teeth or if your gums have receded to a painful extent, your dentist may suggest corrective surgery. This is an in-office procedure where your dentist will place tiny shards of good bone in rotted areas. Your dentist may also graft new tissue onto spots where your gums have receded. Remove the tooth entirely if it is rotting your gums. If the tooth is decayed to the point where it's causing gum problems, your dentist may advise pulling it out completely. This is a procedure that requires local anesthesia and can usually be done in your dentist's office. After the tooth is pulled, your dentist may put a bridge in to hold the space in your mouth.
Cheers, Cheers everyone!
About half of people will have halitosis, otherwise known as bad breath. Dr. Eleanor Weitzner says most cases stem from problems within the mouth, like gum disease, cavities, or ill-fitting dentures. Bacteria builds up and causes a foul odor. Bad breath can also be a sign of a systemic health issue like kidney disease or diabetes, or a side effect of a medication. Some common culprits include some antidepressants and blood pressure drugs.
A lot of people think that if you have certain foods like onions or garlic or spicy foods, then you have bad breath. So yes, you do have bad breath, but it's a transient thing. Halitosis is more of a long-term thing. So it's, unless you deal with the problem, you still have it.
For true halitosis, prescription mouthwashes are available. And for everyone, Dr. Weitzner says chewing sugar-free gum helps.
It actually stimulates salivary flow. And saliva actually lubricates the mouth, and it also has an antibacterial effect, which is what a lot of halitosis is caused by. It's caused by bacteria.
Salivary flow is decreased while we sleep, and that's what causes morning breath. She says 2 things to avoid are mouthwashes containing alcohol and brushing too hard.
Brushing teeth and flossing and good oral hygiene, super important, but you don't want to overdo it because you could be actually causing harm to the tissues.
So see your dentist regularly to detect any concerns early. And know that most people can't actually smell their own breath accurately. So if a friend or loved one mentions there's a problem, get it checked out. With Sunny
10 best ways to naturally whiten yellow teeth at home. We all dream of having the perfect looking teeth you can see on the red carpet and all over magazine covers. However, not all of us can afford to go to the dentist to have our teeth professionally whitened. And that's okay. Save your hard-earned cash because we've collected 10 effective ways to naturally whiten your teeth without destroying your enamel or your bank account. Before we get into the home remedies, you should know that all of these methods must not be used at the same time. Pick one and stick to it. Plus, if you have problems with your teeth, at-home whitening may not be for you. You can always check with your dentist beforehand to make sure. Taking proper care of your teeth every day is crucial for these remedies to work. So be sure to check out this video to see what common mistakes you might be making in your daily oral care routine. It's definitely eye-opening and useful. And now, let's dive into these DIY remedies for natural teeth whitening in the comfort of your own home. Number 10. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal has recently been gaining fame as an amazing home remedy for teeth whitening. And it's no surprise, since it's for sure one of the easiest and most inexpensive products to naturally whiten your teeth. As an antioxidant, this stuff truly works wonders by removing all the toxins and surface stains left by tea, coffee, and food consumption. Brushing your teeth with activated charcoal has been proven to lighten them by up to 3 shades. Pretty impressive, right? So if you want to try it, here's what you should do. Crush up 1 charcoal tablet into a powder. Dip your clean, wet toothbrush into it and brush your teeth as you normally do. Just don't freak out when your teeth and mouth instantly become covered in the black stuff. It rinses away to reveal brighter, whiter teeth. Number 9. Powdered milk and toothpaste. Dairy products, especially milk, significantly improve the health of your teeth. That's because milk contains both calcium and phosphorus, which promote the remineralization of tooth enamel. You can either put more dairy products in your diet or simply use powdered milk to brush your teeth. Combine it with your toothpaste for an even better effect. Just put some toothpaste on your toothbrush, add a bit of powdered milk on top, and brush your teeth. Do this 1 to 2 times a week to get your teeth pearly white and strong. Number 8. Baking soda and lemon juice. Baking soda does a great job at removing surface stains from your teeth, making them way whiter as a result. Lemon contains vitamin C, which is known for lightening teeth. Not to mention, lemons have antibacterial properties that kill the microorganisms living in your mouth. Hey, nobody invited them in there. The right way to combine these 2 ingredients would be to put a pinch of baking soda on your toothbrush and then add a few drops of lemon juice over it to achieve a set of bright, shiny teeth. Just don't use this whitening method more than once a week. That's enough to get the desired effect and keep your enamel healthy at the same time. Number 7. Lemon and honey. Lemon and honey are 2 ingredients that can help whiten your teeth. You can also mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water and brush your teeth with the paste. This combination provides a more gentle cleansing, so you can repeat this procedure a little more frequently, twice a week. Number 7. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is basically a bleaching agent, so it's a must-have for teeth whitening. However, before using hydrogen peroxide, make sure that your teeth aren't too sensitive. If you're good to go, simply dip a cotton swab into the peroxide and gently rub it on your teeth. Be careful though, because this whitening technique isn't recommended for frequent use as it can harm your enamel. Doing it once or twice a week would be plenty. If you don't want to risk damaging your teeth, you can always find a toothpaste with hydrogen peroxide in it from the store. This way you don't have to worry about your teeth sensitivity because the hydrogen peroxide is balanced out with other ingredients. Hydrogen peroxide can also be used as a mouthwash before brushing your teeth. Just make sure that you're using either a 1.5% or 3% solution for this. Other possible options are hydrogen peroxide gel or even teeth whitening strips. So get your hands on some hydrogen peroxide in any of its forms and enjoy your new snow white teeth. Number 6. Baking powder and lemon juice. Baking powder eliminates stains on the surface of your teeth, and lemon juice, as we already said, has multiple components that lighten teeth. Just mix a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and you guessed it, you brush your teeth with the paste. This mixture will work wonders in just 2 minutes. But remember the golden rule, do not leave it on your teeth for more than 2 minutes because it'll damage your enamel. After a couple of weeks of using this home treatment once or twice a week, your teeth will be so blinding that you'll have to warn people to put on some sunglasses before you smile at them. Number 5. Sea salt, lemon juice, and toothpaste. Another great component for a homemade teeth whitening remedy is sea salt. It has loads of important minerals and elements such as calcium, magnesium, and iron, among others. Sea salt has antibacterial properties as well, which freshen your breath and protect your enamel. So if you want to see these amazing effects for yourself, mix half a teaspoon of sea salt and some freshly squeezed lemon juice with a small amount of toothpaste in a bowl. Apply the mixture to your teeth and leave it on for a minute before rinsing your mouth thoroughly. Just like with most of the procedures on this list, repeat 1 to 2 times a week. Number 4. Lemon juice and water. A mixture of equal parts lemon juice and water will help restore whiteness to your teeth and completely disinfect your oral cavity. To test this out, mix 1 teaspoon of water with 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Brush your teeth thoroughly with the combined liquids and then rinse it out. After that, brush your teeth again, this time with your regular toothpaste. Do this just once a week. Another possible method is to apply the water-lemon mixture directly onto your teeth and leave it there like a mask for about 10 minutes. After the time's up, rinse your mouth out with water. You can do this twice a week for better results. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar and water. Apple cider vinegar is a highly powerful cleansing and disinfecting agent. It removes stains and kills all the bacteria in your mouth. Simply dilute half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and use this homemade mouthwash every morning before brushing your teeth. Don't worry, the water balances out the acidity of the vinegar, so it's totally fine to use this mixture daily. Another equally effective method is to simply rub apple cider vinegar directly onto your teeth. Leave it for about 5 minutes and then rinse your mouth with water. However, you can do this more concentrated version only once a week, of course, because the vinegar can break down the tooth enamel, so be careful. Number 2. A strawberry. Pretty much everybody knows that strawberries are super delicious and healthy. But did you know that they're great for lightening your teeth as well? That's because they're acidic, which, if you haven't noticed by now, is great for teeth whitening. The easiest way to make use of it is to take a ripe strawberry and mash it up with a spoon. Brush your teeth with this paste for a few minutes to get rid of yellow stains. You can do this once a month. Hey, while you're at it, why not throw in some baking soda to the mix? In this case, you should mash up 1 strawberry, add half a teaspoon of baking soda, stir them together, dip your toothbrush into the mixture, and brush your teeth with it. Don't forget to leave the mixture on your teeth for about 5 minutes, and then rinse your mouth with water. Repeat this 1 to 2 times a week. Number 1. Toothpaste, sea salt, baking soda, and lemon juice. It's great to use these powerful remedies one by one, but why not combine them all and make one super remedy? Super remedy to the rescue! Plus, notice that while we warned you earlier not to combine all the remedies, with this specific combination, you'll be okay, if you're careful, because it has a safe enough balance of acidic and alkaline components. So here's what you should do. Mix 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, a pinch of sea salt, a bit of baking soda, and 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice in a bowl. Brush your teeth with this mixture for 4 to 5 minutes. You'll see the difference in just one use. But don't get too excited. That immediate result is due to the fact that this treatment is potent with a capital P. You can use this method only once every 2 months. The effect will last quite a long time, so don't overdo it and hurt your poor enamel. And there you have it. Achieving the perfect smile is way easier than you'd think. Do you have any DIY teeth whitening tips of your own? Let us know in the comments section below. Be sure to give us a like, and since all your friends will be asking how you got your teeth so white, just go ahead and share this video with them now in advance. Subscribe to our channel to see more informative and fun videos, and always stay on the bright side.
So the first one I want to show you is the lemon and baking soda method. Lemon actually has bleaching properties in it, and it's also used to brighten up dark spots on skin, etc. As to the baking soda, it is the opposite of acidic, so not only does it act as a good scrub, but also it will reduce the acidity in the lemon juice. In a small bowl, I'm going to make a small mix of equal amounts of baking soda and lemon juice. Add that and mix that around. Add more baking soda or more lemon juice if you have to. You should have a paste-like consistency. So here's a quick before shot, and then I'm going to brush my teeth with it. I'm also going to leave this on my teeth for 1 minute or less. No more than that because the lemon is acidic and leaving it too long is not good for the enamel. Then just rinse that out and brush your teeth with toothpaste as you usually would. But before you do, wait about 15 minutes before brushing. I noticed a difference right away, and this is only one use. I recommend you don't use this one often, maybe once a week, because too much lemon can wear out the enamel. Next up is the toothpaste, salt, and lemon paste. I'm taking half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, and a little bit of toothpaste. I'm mixing that all up, and then with your finger or Q-tip, you're just going to rub that all over your teeth. You're going to leave this on for about a minute and then rinse. This method is recommended about once or twice a week max. And here's the before picture from the beginning, y'all. Oh my god. You never realize how yellow your teeth are until you whiten them. Which, by the way, pause. I'm going to pause this really fast. So no, this did not freeze on you. Let me pause really quickly to tell you guys to not do all of these methods all at once. I recommend trying a method at a time and not too often, maybe once a week or max 2 for these methods I've talked about. Also, if you are 12 years old or younger, I would check with your dentist before trying these lemon remedies, because usually at your age, just brushing them and flossing them will give you pearly whites. So on to the third method, it's the lemon and water method. I'm using half a teaspoon of water and half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Never use the lemon juice on its own. Although it does help kill mouth bacteria and prevents oral diseases, don't use it alone directly on your teeth because it's very acidic. So I'm having somebody else try this on their teeth. I'm taking a Q-tip and rubbing it onto their teeth or their stains. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then rinse and brush your teeth with your toothpaste as you usually would. You can use this method about twice a week. So next up is the apple cider vinegar and water method. It serves as a natural mouthwash before brushing your teeth. Doing this daily can actually help prevent tooth decay, which is great, and help sore gums. Some people actually brush their teeth directly with this, but it's not recommended because over time it can wear out the enamel. So I just added a tiny amount into some water. And now time to gargle it everywhere, which by the way, it smells and tastes absolutely disgusting. Try to keep it in there for about a minute. So something that is said to whiten teeth is actually raisins. Apparently raisins help to keep your teeth white by inducing saliva production. I don't know, but I feel like they look white, huh? Like after those few that I did, I feel like they're getting really white. Sometimes my teeth look a little yellow, like even if I
right now they look white, huh?
Next up is oil pulling. This is very good for oral detoxifying, keeping your teeth white and all that. This is so good for your oral health in general that you can do this anywhere from 4 to 7 days a week. So if you want to do this every day, you can. Just take a spoon of oil, swish it around for 10 to 15 minutes before brushing your teeth.
$20 seconds? Or 30 seconds?
Minutes.
2 minutes? 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You're not gonna do that for 15 minutes. Get the fuck out of here.
Next up is the one I learned from my dad years ago. It's using a burnt tortilla. It's like using charcoal except you're using a burnt tortilla. And I'm gonna have my sister Mara demonstrate this for y'all. Just take the tortilla and just rub it in your mouth. You take the tortilla. Yeah. There you go. You just have to rub it in. We used to do this before, dude. You're just gonna rub it in, and it's actually best if you actually take a toothbrush and use it almost as a toothpaste. You look stupid. So here's a way to make your teeth appear brighter and whiter. Wearing red colored lipstick will make your teeth appear as if they are whiter. It's even better if the lipstick has a blue undertone to it. For the next method, we're using the hydrogen peroxide method, which by the way, for the hydrogen peroxide, you want to make sure to get one that is 3% or under because that will be safe for your teeth. So I'm going to take a small cup and I'm going to mix in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide, a little bit of toothpaste, and a half teaspoon of water. I'm going to mix this right up and then brush my teeth with it for about 2 minutes. Do this every week until you reach the results that you want. Once you do have your results and your teeth are white, limit this method to about once a month. So the next method I'm using is the strawberry and toothpaste method. Now I do know that people use the strawberries alone on their teeth, but this is acidic, so sometimes it's best to mix it with something else to kind of dilute it a little bit. Although we do eat strawberries and it does go through our teeth, when you're whitening your teeth with it, you're rubbing it directly to it, if that makes any sense. So I'm just crushing a little bit of strawberry and putting it into my toothpaste. Once everything is mixed together, it should look like this, which by the way, after a few minutes, it just turns white. The strawberries and everything, it just all looks white because of the toothpaste. So just brush your teeth with that as you usually would with your regular toothpaste. And by the way, if they do get caught in there, the strawberries, then just floss them out. Which by the way, also, you should be flossing regardless. It's a big way to keep your teeth clean. And there you have it, 10 hacks for teeth whitening. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. So overall, I think this worked. I mean, I know I did do most of them on my teeth, and that probably made a big difference, but I think it works. For the very first one, I started noticing the differences. Y'all, my teeth look so white right now. They probably don't look Hollywood white, but compared to how my teeth were, they look white. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. Also, do not forget to go check out my vlog channel. Don't forget to go check out my candles. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click that like button. If you didn't like this video, you know, click the thumbs down button. It's okay. Comment down below your video suggestions. Subscribe if you are not. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.